Guys, I'm back and look what I got. This is a 124 scale mini Tamiya the BIGWIG. So this is not the official mini size the BIGWIG. This is actually a 3D printed kit, body shell and those wheels on a 124 scale for the four-wheel drive Subotech RC platform. So you can see here, it looks familiar to you guys. So we're at the skate park here and just gotta try out how does it drive. Is it nice? Yes, it's nice. Come on. So if you like retro stuff, retro buggies, you can go to my website, download the free 3D printing kit for Subotech or 124 size platform and slap it on and make it look like a classic BIGWIG. So let's get on with it and have some fun. Yeah.